Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. So I recently got a comment on my recent video on Restream. The comment is from Case Diary. I'm going to read it out and put a screenshot on the screen. So she said, "Hi, my question is, I'm using my content for Restream. Do I need to private it if I've gotten monetized?" That's one question. I think let's just take that one first. Okay, so when it comes to Restream, okay, there's a lot to consider if you want to choose to put your Restream videos on private after you've gotten monetized or not. It has to do with your own choice, okay? It has to do with what you feel is okay for your YouTube channel. So remember, some of these videos we use to run Restreams aren't something relating to our niche on YouTube. So when you get those videos from like Instagram, catchy videos that brought those viewers that stayed and watched, when you're done Restreaming, when you've been accepted into YouTube partnership program, the best thing is, if that content is not related to your niche, the best thing is to private them, because once you're live streaming, you're also putting out content like your normal videos. YouTube pushes all of them. Even if it's your shorts, YouTube shows your short to people. When they come on your page, it shows your short to them, it shows your long videos to them, it also shows your live streams, which is the Restream, to people who come on your channel. So if the content you use to Restream is something relating to your niche, you can choose not to private it. But if it's something that is not related to your niche, that is where you would need to private it. Because imagine you have a tutorial channel or you have a vlog channel and you're putting up Restream videos. You've been Restreaming, and when you've stopped Restreaming, you discover that when people come to your channel, they still find those videos that does not relate to what your niche is about. It doesn't really make sense, because Restream is just like a strategy you use to acquire or achieve your 4,000 watch hour and your monetization. I would advise you private those videos once you've hit your 4,000 watch hours. But if, for example, you have a cooking channel and the content you use, okay, or you filmed like short clips that you use to Restream, like your own original content that you use to Restream, and you use those short clips to Restream and it got you 4,000 watch hours, then yes, when you get monetized, you don't need to private them, because number one, it's a cooking video and it's something relating to your niche, so you don't need to private. So I'll advise you, okay, case diary, if the content you use to Restream is something relating to your niche and it's your own original content, then no, do not private after monetization. But if it is like people's video you got, or videos you got from Instagram and all of that, I would advise you let them be on public, because YouTube will keep pushing those videos, especially when it's something not relating to your niche. Let's take the second question. Her second question says, "Secondly, when I get monetized, can I still use Restream to get views? Will YouTube pay for those views?" Yes, you can actually monetize your Restream videos. You can. Restream is just like you're going live on YouTube, but the difference is that you're not doing it from the YouTube app. You're actually doing it from an external site that you've connected and linked your YouTube channel to. So yes, whatever happens on YouTube, on the YouTube app, if you can do anything on the YouTube app, you can actually do that same thing on Restream. What that means is that if you can actually monetize your normal YouTube live streams, then yes, even if you use Restream and you're monetized, you can still get paid. So the answer to that question is, you can actually get paid after you've been monetized, even if you don't do YouTube live streams and you decide to do Restreams, and it matches, or the content you use for that Restream actually aligns with the YouTube policies and you can monetize it, then yes, you can earn from the video, regardless if it was through Restream. So yes, you can actually monetize videos with Restream after acquiring or after getting your 4,000 watch hours. And the third question she asked is, another question, please, what's the difference between the watch hours on the Studio app and the watch hours on the M section on the YouTube Studio? Okay, remember when you open your YouTube Studio app, right? Remember, the YouTube Studio app is different from your YouTube app. So the YouTube Studio app is where you see your analytics and how your YouTube channel is performing. So if you open your YouTube Studio app, you're going to see the dashboard and you're going to see like your watch time, your subscribers and all of that. So there's a part that says watch time, and in bracket it says in hours. When you open your YouTube Studio, there's a part that has the dollar icon. I think I'll attach a screenshot on the screen. That's where you see another watch hours that counts towards your milestone, like the 3K watch hours or the 4,000 watch hours. Now she's asking the difference between the watch hours on your YouTube studio dashboard and the watch hours in that end page that have that dollar icon. So this is it. When you get views on YouTube, whether via live streams or your normal content, your long form videos, it's going to appear first on the dashboard. So the dashboard is this one you can see on your screen. This is where it's going to appear. Like you see whatever progress you've made in terms of subscribers count, your watch hours. So the watch hours that appears there, it takes time to process. So YouTube then, after a while, like it takes 5 days to process those views. You get views, those views actually convert to watch hours, right? Yes, so when it has converted to watch hours on the dashboard, it takes basically 5 days for YouTube to go through those views and see if those views were gotten genuinely or they are authentic. This is where most new creators find it difficult. They'll be like, my watch hours are dropping, my watch hours are dropping. It's not like your watch hours are dropping. YouTube actually goes through the views you have and the watch hours that appears on the dashboard to see if they are authentic, and if they are not, they see like some views that came from sources that does not align with YouTube's policy, so they take out the views. So these 5 days, or this period of 5 days, is when YouTube get to process those views. They get to go through it and make sure that they came from the right sources. So after YouTube has seen that, okay, this is the number of views you got, it now appears on the end page after 5 days. So if you have a video, you post a video and you can see that this is the watch hours you got from that video, or even live stream or even Restream, it's not immediately going to appear on the end part, the place that has the dollar. No, it's actually going to be on your YouTube dashboard for 5 days. You're going to see that yes, you've gotten these watch hours, but it's not going to move over to the end page. It's going to take 5 days for YouTube to review that views, make sure that it's authentic and it came from the right sources before it can be updated in that end page. Then another thing you should know is the videos you use for Restream, if they are your own content, you can actually monetize it because YouTube can place ads on those videos. If that Restream video meets the YouTube ad sustainability, then yes, ads can be placed on that video. So you can actually monetize your Restream videos if they are your content. Even if they are not your content, you can still monetize it, but it depends. There's a whole lot that comes to play when it comes to that aspect. Okay guys, so I hope I answered your questions, and if you have any other question concerning Restream, please you can drop it in the comment section and I'll be eager and willing to answer those questions. And yes, Restream can be used to achieve your 4,000 watch hours. You can actually use Restream to monetize your YouTube channel. It is very, very possible. I am a proof. I always say that in almost all of my videos. I use Restream to monetize and I'm earning from YouTube and all of that. So yes, it's very possible. So drop your questions in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this. Like this video and click on this video on your screens. Okay, these videos are also related videos to Restream. Like there are more things you need to know about Restream. You can click on them, watch, and I'll see you definitely in that video.